So the side plank is called the side plank because it's plank for your side. So the idea is you're learning how to tense these muscles through here to try and get them to be a little bit stronger. So at the moment I'm just relaxed and letting my body kind of sink. But to start with, I'm going to be nice to myself. All I'm going to do is on my knees, I should feel that come through nice and tight through there. You want to hold for long enough where you have to breathe. The reason for that is you want to learn how to keep these tight while breathing. Once you feel really good and confident for that, you want to hold for 30 to 90 seconds and then build up longer if you can. To make it stronger, all you need to do is come like this. So let's say I'm a medium setting. That might be enough, but let's say I'm going to advanced, have my legs straight, and that's making more of a leverage through there. Really making sure I work through there. It's also good for helping your shoulder get stability. Work with it, please don't hurt yourself. Holding for 30 to 90 seconds and obviously doing both sides.